Hello, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll be learning how to make this lovely waterfall jacket. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. I sincerely appreciate your support and you sticking to our channel. And if you are a new viewer, if this is your first time here, do ensure to subscribe and do leave a comment. I actually love to see your comments, so do ensure to leave a comment. If there is anything you would like us to improve in our tutorials, do ensure to state it. Or if you have a question, if you also want us to make some illustrations for you, or maybe you would like us to do some tutorial for you, do ensure to send the video or the picture of the tutorial of the style to my WhatsApp number. My number is on most of the videos, and it's actually in one of the pictures there. It's on this video as well. So it's been a while. We haven't actually uploaded any real tutorial since we begin this year. And by the grace of God Almighty, we'll be sticking to our schedule henceforth. So let's get started. These are the requirements you'll be needing. So this is one of the waterfall jacket style I have. Here they use Ankara to make this jacket. So we have a free hijab class which will be coming up this month. So do well to go through the poster, and if you're interested, you can just send a message to the number on the flyer. Let's get started. So to make this jacket, you'll be needing a crepe fabric, preferably for this one. If you want to make this type particularly, I use the crepe fabric here. So the fabric is on fold, and here I have 56 inches, which is equivalent to 1 yard and 20 inches, while the width is 29.5 inches. So the width is actually the length of the fabric folded into two. So you fold your fabric like this. We're actually doing this to make the curve on the edges of the jacket. Do ensure to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. And do check back every week for new tutorials. So I'm done drawing the curve, and I'll just cut it out as seen. So this is what you have after cutting. I'll just open up the fabric just as it was before. So the side where I am is the center of the jacket. So on that center, I measured 14 inches, which will be like the collar of the jacket. So 14 inches will be the collar of the jacket, which is the part which is normally folded right behind your neck when you wear the waterfall jacket. So at that point where the 14 inches stopped, I measured 8 inches, which is the shoulder measurement I'm working with. Measured 8 inches. So at that point where the 8 inches stopped, I measured 6 inches down. at the point where the 8 inches stop. Okay, so before we continue, we have an upcoming tutorial, our paid class, which will be starting on 1st of April. Please do ensure to go through the posters as seen on this thing on your screen. Each of the classes has their course outline and the requirements you'll be needing. I'll advise you actually purchase our classes because it's more detailed than the tutorials we upload on our channel. So I'll be expecting to hear from you, and I hope that you are telling you that you get what you pay for. So at the point where I measured the 8 inches, yeah, just at that point, I measured 6 inches down, 6 inches down. And you know, when you divide 6 inches into 2, you have 3 inches. So I notched the 3 inches, the point 3 inches, which means I have 3 here and I have 3 down, as you can see. So adjacent to the center of that 6 inches I measured 3 inches on each side also. I'm doing this just to get a circle, and that circle is our armhole. The circle is our armhole. You can decide to make it 5 inches, which means the center would be this thing. From the center of the circle to the sides, it will be 2.5 inches all around. So this depends. The armhole is not constant. It varies depending on the person, like how fat the person who is going to wear the jacket is. So just pick the fabric up a bit to just make a small cut. Then you follow the circle all around and cut the circle out. I hope that you understand everything I've explained in this tutorial. And this is just the main thing in making a waterfall jacket. After cutting, your jacket is ready. All you need to do is to either use a bias tape to hem it all around, or you just make an interlock. And this is me rocking my jacket. I hope you love it, and I hope that you understand everything. If you find anything that you do not understand, do ensure to watch the video again. So I will be expecting to see you guys in class. Do ensure to purchase our tutorials, and anytime you see the tutorial, you can still make payment, even if it's after the April 1st, because the tutorial is holding on Telegram. So you can have access. As long as you make your payment, you have access to the tutorial even after the scheduled date. So I'll be expecting to see you in class, and do have a wonderful Ramadan. Yeah, Ramadan is close by already. Alright, thank you for watching. Do ensure to subscribe and do leave a comment. I really appreciate and love you all.